This right here is exactly why I bought this machine. Every time they speak of rain, gets clogged up. Horrible. Usually, so far, I've had to do this twice, and it picks it all up like nothing, no problem. There has been some super huge stuff that's been lodged in here before that I know it wouldn't even begin to budge, but I don't think I'll have any problem today. But it's definitely going to make things a lot easier. This is a 1.5 ton diesel Kubota engine, Eagle brand, pilot control. It's a pretty smooth machine, and it's smooth, but it don't run like a cat or a Kubota, like a name brand Kubota. Got the hydraulic thumb on it. I bought this in Pikeville, Kentucky, at Eagle Equipment USA. If you need one, if you need something like this on your property, I highly suggest buying one. It will cut through about any kind of ground that you need cut through. Uh, Herbal surprise. It is a Chinese machine, obviously, but I mean, it's a trick. It really is. See what kind of gifts I've got under here. This is my first video on this thing that I'm doing. I've never posted any content like this. I just want people to know that this thing is it's really nice. It's well within a budget. I think just about anyone could afford this thing. Uh, where I bought it at, I had really good service. They knew everything about the machine that I wanted to know. Uh, they had a really great interest rate. Could not beat their interest rate. I think I got a 5.75 interest rate on this thing for about 72 months. I think I did. If this is something you need and something that would help you out on your property, save you a lot of money, it's a big necessity, I think. It's got a really nice push blade on it. I've done a lot of work with it so far. I've done a lot of digging through ditches, a lot of hard ground that this thing, I mean, it eats right through it. It's so tall, I couldn't fit it in my garage. I'm going to have to build like a special door just for it. Back here, where all the good stuff is, it's really well thought out. I've got the oil filter, fuel filter, starter, air filter. some other things that I'm not 100% sure about. But you know what? That's what YouTube's good for. You can find out anything on here on these things. A lot of people works on them. If there's something you don't know about, it comes with a manual, and you can find out about it really fast if you need to. Get into everything else. These little panels come off. This is where the hydraulic fluid goes in at. Stick for the blade, adjustable armrest. Like I say, I put mirrors on it. I haven't really. They just kind of look cool. I haven't really had a hardcore need for them yet. Cup holder. Just now put that little battery power fan on there uh, for the thumb. Stick. There's. I mean, it's not got a lot of room in the cab, but I mean, it's comfortable. The seat adjusts almost completely. Like it back as far as it'll go right now, but it will come forward, and then the headrest, that's as high as the headrest goes, and it's you can adjust the back. The back is all the way as far back as it'll go. It's got a 2-speed switch, but it does not have 2-speed. A little bit slow, a little bit aggravating getting it to go places. You just gotta have patience with this kind of thing. But it is very nice. Over here, I did all this work smoothing out this bank so I don't have to weed eat it. And the push blade just pushed all this dirt like a bulldozer. And it cut right through it like nothing. The 1.5 ton ED 3100 from Eagle Equipment USA. I'm not getting paid for this. Not getting paid like a promotion for them. I just want you to know if you've got an Eagle close to you and you're on the fence about it, you don't know if you want to buy one or not. Go down there and check them out. Check it out. You won't be sorry. Got everything. Plenty of power. Gonna be making some more videos on this too, just doing stuff on it. If you want to see more like this, just subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching.